Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my new video. Hopefully you all are doing very well. So guys, today's content is how to get Google reviews for my business free. Okay, so let's quickly start our video. First, you need to open your Google Maps. Okay, after opening Google Maps, you will see an interface like this. After that, look there in the corner, you'll find an option called business. Click on your business account there. After clicking, you should be able to see your business profile showing up in front of you. Okay, after scrolling a bit, look here below, you will find an option saying share profile. Okay, click on share profile. After clicking, see here you will get the link to your own business profile. All right, so from here you need to copy a link. After copying, then you need to come to Google. After coming, paste the link here. After pasting, search for it. You can give a rating to your business. So here you have to provide some of your details to share details. Okay, you can put anything here. So after providing the details like this, you can also add your app photo here. If not needed, then just post it here and your review is posted like this. Look, thanks for your post done. So friends, if you are liking our video, then please like, subscribe and share the channel. Goodbye for now. See you in the next video.